The special chemical that you are using is potassium permanganate. We have used this before. Today's solution is 0.015 molar potassium permanganate. So you'll get your tray with the potassium permanganate, and it's got in it a porous cup, a carbon electrode, and a little bottle of sulfuric acid. In order to make a stronger battery, we are going to use one cell from the zinc copper battery and replace the other cell with our special chemical here and our carbon fiber electrode and our porous cup, and I'm going to show you how we do that. First and foremost, we have to decide which cell to replace in our original battery. You won't need the salt bridge for this one. We are going to complete the circuit in a different way. Which cell we choose to keep really depends upon our special chemical here. Potassium permanganate is a very strong electron acceptor. Therefore, we're going to choose the half cell from our original battery that is a good donor. Recall that in the original battery, copper ions stole from zinc metal. That means that in comparison between the two, zinc and copper, zinc is a much better donor than copper. It's much more stable in its ion form than copper is in its ion form. Therefore, we're going to keep the zinc cell and replace the copper one. Instead of using a salt bridge, we're going to use this porous cup. It's ceramic, and ions can flow in and out. That's going to go into your cup like this, with your carbon electrode sticking out of it like that. This will allow ions to flow and complete the circuit like our salt bridge did. For this experiment, you're going to need about 25 milliliters of your KMNO4 solution. So you'll use the graduated cylinder here and measure out roughly 25 milliliters. I have about 25 milliliters, and I'm going to pour that into the porous cup. The last step here is to help make this a stronger battery. We're going to add 2 milliliters of our sulfuric acid. So you can do that in the large graduated cylinder here. I have about 2 milliliters in my graduated cylinder, and I'm going to pour it in just like that. Now we need to complete the circuit by connecting one alligator wire to our carbon fiber electrode and one to our zinc electrode, much like we did before.